Hi, I'm Jeff Bellomo with Bellomo and Associates. I want to talk a little bit today about the eagle that is in front of the office at 3198 East Market Street. In 2016, in February of 2016, Paul Waclo, who was a local wood carver, wood carved the eagle from a live tree that was on the premises of Bellomo and Associates that was sick and was starting to drop branches onto the grounds. We did that actually during our open house. For those of you at our open house, you remember that Paul was actually carving the eagle as we were doing the open house. The wood rotted out of the base of the eagle, and we had to have the base removed and a brick pedestal put in place. So please come to Bellomo and Associates, check out the eagle. That just means the world to me because it was what my mom loved to look at and watch. So Mom, this one's for you, and we hope you love the eagle.